miles out, call 10 miles southwest, low approach only, runway 6. Dick Rochfort here. We're on the ILS runway 6 at Gunnison, Crested Butte, Colorado. And we've intercepted the loc and the glide path. We've set 300 pounds on the torque. We have gear down and a notch of flaps. We're looking for 120 knots in the window. Of course, today runway's in sight, but there'd be no need for that just yet. The important thing to remember on this approach is that the missed approach point is 2.5 miles from the threshold and 923 feet above the threshold. So if you get down to the threshold and have to miss, you must use the departure procedure. For that reason, we're in the habit of taking notes on that departure procedure and having them ready for a last minute go around, which will really be a departure procedure. And they are slightly different. This airport is such that you really can't take away the authority of the piece of paper. You have to do it correctly. Which way? Straight ahead. How low? DA. What's next? DA. And today, straight in, ILS 6, 8590 is the MSL number. For the purposes of training, the scenario is that we will get to DA, have the runway in sight, ascertain that as far as we can tell it's clear, and we'll elect to continue. However, once we're well within the missed approach point, I'm going to ask the pilot to go around, deer on the runway or something. Joe Biden on the runway or something. We'll make every effort to go around. But it won't be the go around procedure, it'll be the departure procedure. This is critical. Once you're inside the missed approach, Instruments 101 says you cannot use the missed approach procedure. And if you're missing early, you may use that procedure, but you may not turn until you get to the missed approach point. A fairly common error for rookie instrument pilots. All right, we're 7, we're 8, correction, we're 5 from the runway, so you might make your call.
Gunnison,
traffic,
Meridian 388 Hotel Papa, straight in, runway 26 and...
Runway 6.
Runway 6, and we'll doing a low approach for Gunnison.
Yeah, we're 5 southwest.
Hotel Papa, Gunnison, Unicom, winds are 220 at 6 knots, altimeter 3016.
Thank you. Hey, Hotel Papa.
Remember your DA is 8590, call it 8600. We're going to go inside the missed approach point and then miss and do the departure procedure. Okay, so look over there to the right, over to the southeast. You see a big white W up on that hillside. That's where you'd hit if you started that missed procedure from here. All right, so deer on the runway, go around. Toga, pitch, and power. That's all. Toga, pitch, and power. Looking right there, right in front of you. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. 120 knots in this process. Train off.
Thank you.
Pitch down, please. Pitch down. Good.